Before buying a camera lens protector for your iPhone 13 Pro Max, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real difference lies in how they perform in real-life scenarios, not just their flashy claims. Product number 1, Alun 2-Pack. Let's kick things off with the Alun 2-Pack Screen Protector. Priced at just $8.88, this product caught my eye because it comes with not just one but two camera lens protectors. If you want reliable protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. So why does this matter for you? The Alun protectors boast a 9H surface hardness, which means they can take a hit from keys or coins without scratching. Plus, they feature a night shooting function that cleverly integrates with your phone's flash, ensuring your nighttime photos remain sharp and vibrant. With over 8,000 sold in the past month, it's clear people trust this product. However, some users have mentioned that the installation process can be tricky, especially if you're not careful about dust. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the included instructions, you'll likely have no issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet effective way to protect your camera lens. Skip this one if you want something premium or if you're not patient with installation. All in all, it offers solid value for the money. Now, if the installation challenge made you hesitate, the next option might just solve that problem. Product number 2, Alun Lens Protector. Next up is the Alun Camera Lens Protector, also priced at $7.62. This option is specifically designed for the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you're after maximum scratch protection without compromising your photo quality, this one is worth considering. What makes this product stand out is its ultra-thin design and seamless integration for night shots. It promises to maintain the original quality of your photos, even when the flash is on. With a 9H hardness rating, it's built to resist scratches and scrapes, ensuring your lens remains in pristine condition. Plus, it's sold over 2,000 times this past month, suggesting that buyers are satisfied. Now, some reviews mention that it doesn't fit perfectly with all cases, which can be a concern. Here's my take: if you use a thinner case, you'll likely have no issues, but if you prefer bulky cases, this might not be the best fit for you. This is great for anyone who values photo quality and wants a reliable lens protector. But if you're looking for something that works with heavy-duty cases, you might want to keep looking. Overall, it's a solid investment for your camera lens. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more than just basic protection. Product number 3, iVolar 4-Pack. Now let's take a look at the iVolar Camera Lens Protector, priced at $7.62 as well. What I really liked about this product is that you get not one, not two, but 4 protectors in the pack. If you're prone to accidents or just want backup, this is a fantastic choice. The iVolar protector also has a unique anti-glare coating, which helps maintain your picture quality while minimizing reflections. Its 9H hardness ensures that your camera lens is well protected against scratches. With over 1,000 sales recently, it's gaining traction among users. However, some users reported issues with the adhesive not being strong enough, which caused the protector to lift. Here's the thing though, proper cleaning and installation can really make a difference, and if you take your time, you should be good. This is perfect for you if you like having extra protectors on hand or often switch cases. But if you prefer minimalism and don't want backups, you might want to skip this one. For the price, it's a solid deal. If the adhesive concerns worry you, the next product might put your mind at ease. Product number 4, Unique Me 3-Pack. Next, we have the Unique Me 3-Pack, which runs for $15.25. Now, I know this is a bit pricier, but hear me out, this one comes with upgraded 4th-gen protection that includes an anti-glare aperture. If you want top-tier protection, this is worth a serious look. The high transparency and AR anti-reflection technology are designed to keep your photos crisp and clear, even in challenging light conditions. The strong adsorption technology aids in preventing your phone from slipping off surfaces, adding another layer of security. With about 500 units sold recently, it's proving to be a popular choice. Now, some users did mention that the initial installation can be challenging due to its thickness. But honestly, once it's on, you'll appreciate the protection it offers. This is ideal for those who want premium protection and regularly use their camera. However, if you're on a tight budget, you might want to consider the lower-priced options. Overall, it's a worthwhile investment for serious photographers. Now, if the thickness of the UniqueMe's design concerns you, the next option is ultra-thin and might be just what you need. Product number 5, G-Tech 3-Pack. Lastly, let's check out the G-Tech Camera Lens Protector, available for just $8.88. This is a fantastic choice if you're looking for something that balances price with performance. The G-Tech protectors are made from high-quality tempered glass, providing excellent scratch resistance and maintaining high clarity for your photos. With a 9H hardness rating, you can trust that your lens will be safe from everyday wear and tear. Plus, it doesn't affect your flash quality, which is a huge bonus for night shots. Over 500 units sold in the last month shows that it's resonating with customers. However, there are some complaints about the protectors being slightly too small for some cases. Here's the thing, if you use a standard case, you should be fine, but if you have a custom or bulky one, it might not fit perfectly. This is perfect for anyone looking for reliable protection at an affordable price. But if you need something that fits snugly with a specialized case, you might want to keep looking. It's a great value for the money. In conclusion, you've got a solid lineup of options, each with different strengths catering to various needs. So there you have it. Each of these camera lens protectors offers unique benefits, whether you're looking for budget-friendly options like the Alun or G-Tech or premium protection from UniqueMe. It all boils down to what you need for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments which one you think is the best fit for you.